Meaning of frigidly.
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 Frigidly. Frigidly means extremely cold or lacking warmth, both in a literal and figurative sense. When used to describe a person's demeanor, it suggests a cold or unfriendly attitude. In a physical sense, it may refer to icy weather conditions or the feeling of one's body being very cold. The use of frigidly can convey a sense of detachment or aloofness, as well as a lack of emotion or passion. It may also imply a lack of flexibility or adaptability, indicating a resistance to change or new ideas. Overall, the word frigidly suggests coldness and stiffness in a variety of contexts, both physical and emotional.